Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to enable telnet. Telnet is a very old tool used to communicate information between multiple computers. So if you're getting this message that telnet is not recognized as an internal or external command, so this means that you haven't enabled telnet. For enabling telnet you need to simply go to the start menu and just say Windows features. This option will come right here. Turn the Windows features on or off. You can even go to the control panel and then search for this. I think you will see this feature in the search panel. If you just write turn Windows features on and off, so inside the programs and features you will get this option, and here you will see this telnet client. This option will appear. So by default it will not be checked. You need to check mark this option. Just check mark this option and click OK. So it is actually enabling the access of telnet inside your computer. So once it finishes, you will be able to access the telnet command inside your terminal. So just wait for the process to finish. It's applying changes. So if you open command line here, restart the command line, just type the command telnet. So you will now see it. You will be welcome to Microsoft telnet client. So in this way guys, you can use telnet, just enable the access to fix that error message. So thank you very much for watching this video. Also visit my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.